I don't know walk. Let's see. There's something that's going around saying that if you step on a crack, it breaks your mom's back. Okay. Now it's time to call my mom. Hey, Mom. Is your back hurting? Yeah, honey, my back's hurting. I think I'm about to faint. Okay, bye. So it does work. Okay, well then.
Subscribe.